Australians build houses. They don't use migrant laborers. They don't use concrete men. They build a house in just 2 days. It's an incredible operation. How does it do it? This machine right here, it's a house building robot developed in Germany. The machine is mounted directly on a truck. To build a house, you have to design a model on a computer in advance. Then the computer transfers the data to the robot, and then you can start building. And the amazing thing about this robot is, this 28-meter long telescopic arm. What's that? At 28 meters, it can build a 9-story building. At the top of the telescopic arm, there's vision. At the top of the arm, there's a vision camera and a laser tracker. This allows the bricks to be picked up precisely and place them in the right place. And that's not all. If the bricks are too big, the bricks can be automatically cut. Overall, anything a bricklayer can do, this building robot can do. And traditional house building requires concrete reinforcement, but this robot doesn't seem to use it. Instead, it uses an industrial adhesive. It's said to be stronger than concrete, and it's also thermally and acoustically conductive, which means that in about 45 minutes, it takes about 45 minutes to make the bricks very strong. This is a set of operations. It increases the overall efficiency of the building process. It can lay 1,000 bricks per hour. Isn't it amazing?